So you think it's easy, huh? You think I just go from room to room to room and pray with people? This job isn't easy. You get the page. Woman on the roof of the parking garage going to commit suicide. She wants to talk to the chaplain. Who is she? Why does she want to talk to me? She want absolution before she commits suicide, or is she worried about her kid? And then you see her. Single mom. Been dealing with her for 6 months. She slowly watches her child, 3-year-old boy, die from brain cancer. He's not dead yet. He will be. So what's she gonna do? You talk to her. What do you say? And while you're talking to her, and while you're consoling her, and while you're trying to convince her she's got something to live for, young cop grabs her and pulls her off the ledge. Yeah, you knew it had to happen. But you feel like you betrayed her. And she's screaming at you. Nah, this job ain't easy. But you don't have time to think about the betrayal because you feel like you betrayed her too. Your pager's been going off for 30 seconds while you're standing there. Gotta go. It's the emergency department. 9-year-old girl shot in the head. Oh, it was an accident. But she's still shot in the head. 12-year-old brother found dad's gun, put it down. 5-year-old cousin picked it up and pulled the trigger. Don't matter who did it. She's still dead. What do you say to this family? What do you say? Nah, this job ain't easy. And you don't have time to breathe before the next one. And the next one. And the next one. But you go. Because that's the job.